If this video has found its way to you, it's because you also like to collect bougie pajamas. Since my weight loss surgery almost 7 years ago and losing 150 pounds, I have considered myself to find perfect little luxuries that I consider self-care and build them into habits throughout my day. I have 2 prints of roller rabbits, actually 3 if you count my Christmas pair, but I have my Martha's Vineyard set, which I have in my hand right now. This is the t-shirt long sleeve set, and I also have the Nantucket set. That was really what started this true love, and that's a long sleeve long pant. I actually prefer the short sleeve long pant version. I believe there is a sale happening right now. I will leave them linked in my Shop My. I'm packing these for Marco Island, which is why they are out, because these are too thin to wear, at least in my chilly house in New England throughout the winter months. And in the summer, you see me in these almost every day because I put them on the steam cycle in my dryer and I rewear them until I absolutely must change them out for another pair. One of my other favorite brands for jammies is Print Fresh. Now, I actually have never owned a pajama set, but I will show you my robe. One moment. These pieces I usually love at a distance because the price point for these is sometimes too much for me to bear, just even looking at. But I have the caviar and champagne robe. She might also need a bit of a steam. At the time I bought her in a large, extra large. I wish I had gone small, medium, but that is neither here nor there. We are going to unbox, open my newest set. My hope is that these come on vacation with me too. I just love the presentation of this brand. It's also female founded. I did buy these on sale. Now there was a holiday set that I also looked at. I thought if they're on sale now, they'll likely be on sale again. Let's invest in one pair at a time and be a bit more intentional. Hello. Hydrangeas, lighthouses. Yes, this is called the Lighthouse Keeper set. I went with a medium. These are supposed to get, oh, this top is pretty, softer every time you wear them. I don't even want to unfold them because I'll never get them back into this gorgeous fold. Like the square neckline. Look at the detail. I love these with the little pink sailboats. There's a little ruffle on the sleeve, and then the bottoms. Honestly, you might catch me out and about in these like I did with my Thatch pajama top that I bought last summer. Like, could you just wear a bodysuit tucked into this and or wear this with white jeans or my new navy pants that are getting tailored? Thank you for the recommendations. I just wanted to show these to you. I do have them linked on my Shop My. There's various versions of them. I would say if you are investing in yourself this season and you're excited about spring and you're looking for ways to get like that enthusiasm back, if you're someone who rewards themselves with nice pajamas at the end of the day, yes, yes. Well, I'm going to go pack these. I just wanted to show them to you. And if you're looking for the links on my Shop My, you can search Shop My and BariTale Coaching, or let me know and I will message them directly to you, okay? Thank you as always for being here.